Want to shed kilos this winter? Here are some tips that might help you reach your goal. While trying to lose weight has rarely been simple, it is made even more difficult when the weather drops suddenly. We become less energetic, consume less water, consume more processed foods for comfort, and our body makes less vitamin D as a result of the diminished sunlight when it's chilly outside. Together, these variables cause the metabolism to slow down, making it more difficult for our bodies to burn calories and keep weight in check. In fact, many people have a tendency to put on weight during the winter, which is referred to as winter weight. Hence, it is important to understand which foods and lifestyle changes can help you lose weight in winter. Continue watching this video as we discuss some effective tips to help you lose weight in winter. Here are effective diet tips to help you lose weight in winter. Number 1 is stay hydrated. Water intake is sometimes ignored when talking about maintaining health or losing weight, but throughout the winter, the issue worsens even further. Dehydration from a lack of fluid consumption might make you feel more hungry and reduce your body's ability to burn fat. If you find it difficult to drink regular water in the cold, switch to lukewarm water. Drinking lukewarm liquids helps to regulate body temperature and increases blood circulation by dissolving fat deposits in the body. Number 2 is try to stick to a diet. Winter increases our appetite, as has been demonstrated. Our daily calorie needs rise in the cold weather in order to keep our bodies warm. The secret to stopping the cycle is to eat regularly and load up on wholesome, high-fiber foods. Fiber helps you feel satiated for longer, which reduces your desire for bad foods. When you eat just once, you'll only consume a certain amount. Number 3, work out indoors. On a chilly winter morning, there's nothing better than just a warm blanket and a cup of coffee. We frequently are willing to give up our objective of being healthy and fit for this fleeting pleasure. We burn less calories as a result and lose fewer pounds. Indoor activities are a straightforward answer to this issue. Try indoor activities to stay active if you don't feel comfortable hitting the gym, or for a stroll during the winter. Among the best wintertime exercises include skipping rope, dancing and stair workouts. Number 4, consume herbal teas. Have black coffee and herbal tea instead of your typical sugar and milk-laden coffee and tea. Black tea, hibiscus tea, oolong tea, and coffee are all anti-inflammatory and high in antioxidants. Regularly consuming them might boost your metabolism and facilitate weight loss. Moreover, these warm teas are a comforting beverage to have in such chilly months. Number 5, follow a sleep schedule. The majority of us sleep longer in the winter, since there are less daylight hours. If you don't get 8 hours of good sleep during other seasons, this is fantastic news for you. Sleep deprivation slows metabolism and raises cortisol levels, which causes weight gain. So throughout the winter, emphasize getting good sleep. However, avoid sleeping for too long since this can result in gaining additional weight. Advice: follow these diet tips to stay fit through the winter weather. Disclaimer: this content including provides generic information only. It is in no way a substitute for a qualified medical opinion. Always consult a specialist or your own doctor for more information.